This tutorial is for 5th grade, Module 6, Lesson 18. In this lesson, we're going to look at a line of symmetry on a coordinate plane. The first direction says to draw a line T that runs through points 0, 6 and points 5, 6. So let me label those points first. For 0, 6, I'll start at the origin. I'll stay on the 0 because my x-coordinate is 0, and then I'll just move up 6 and put a point there. And then for 5, 6, I'll start at the origin again, move over 5, up 6, put a point there. And now I'll connect those points and draw a line and label it line T. Next, we're going to plot the points from table A onto our grid, and we're going to connect them in the order in which they appear on the table. So I'll do each point here. So I'll start at 1, 5, 2, 3, 3, 5, 5, 1, 6, 2, 8, 2, 9, 1, and 11, 5. Now I'm going to connect those points. And there's my drawing. The next direction is going to walk me through creating a symmetrical drawing. For each point in table A, we're going to record the corresponding point on the other side of the line of symmetry, or in other words, line T. And we'll put the points into table B. So for example, if I go to my first point on the plane, the coordinate pair was 1, 5. I went over 1 and up 5. I want to put the corresponding point on the other side of line T. You can see that I'm 1 unit below line T. So to keep it symmetrical, I'm going to go 1 unit above line T. So the ordered pair now is 1, 7. So I'll put that in table B. 1, 7. For my next point, I am 3 units below line T. So now I'm going to go 3 units above line T. And that ordered pair is 2, 9. For my next point, I'm going over 3, and then I'm 1 unit below line T, so I'll go 1 unit above line T, and that ordered pair is 3, 7. For my next point, if I count, I am 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 units below line T, so I'm going to go 5 units above, put a point, and that ordered pair is 5, 11. For the next point, I'm 4 units below line T, so I'm going to go 4 units above line T. And that ordered pair is at 6, 10. For my next point, I'm also 4 units below line T, so I'll go 4 units above line T. And that is 8, 10. The next point, I am 5 units below line T, so I'll go 5 units above line T. And that ordered pair is 9, 11. And for my last point, I'm 1 unit below line T, so I'll go 1 unit above line T, and that ordered pair is 11, 7. So those are all my points. Now if I connect them, I should have a symmetrical drawing on the other side of line T. And there's my symmetrical drawing. So pattern to notice here is that when I go from table A to table B, the x-coordinate stayed the same each time. The y-coordinate changed to show how far away from the line of symmetry, or line T, each point was. So for example, in our first point, the y-coordinate was 5, and the corresponding point was 7. Well, since line T is at 6, 5 is 1 away from 6, 7 is 1 away from 6. If I look at my next point, the y-coordinate was 3 in table A and 9 in table B. 3 is 3 units away from 6. 9 is 3 units away from 6. So you can see how that pattern continues in my y-coordinates. Each number is the same number of units away from 6. So again, there's some interesting patterns going on this coordinate plane.